This is my Nike 6.0 unboxing. Oh, I forgot yours. Actually, let's cut it. This is my receipt. Got them for $40. Okay, these are my Nike 6.0 high tops. They're pink, wolf gray, white, and light gray. Come on, stop. They are high tops. They're a size 1. This is the bottom, the front, the outside, the inside, and the top, and the back.
There's stuffings on them?
No, I don't think so. Actually, yes, they do. That's why I couldn't fit in there.
Say I'm gonna try them on.
What?
Say I'm gonna try them on.
I'm gonna try them on. Actually, pretty tight.
At the end, say make sure you buy from Zappos. They come in 2 days.
What?
Make sure you say at the end, make sure you get these from Zappos. They come in 2 days.
Make sure you get these from Zappos. They come in 2 days. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.